Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome to Paris, a city that has captured hearts and imaginations for centuries. Prepare to be enchanted by its timeless beauty, its rich history, and its vibrant culture. I'm Keo, your personal guide to the City of Lights. I've lived here my whole life, and I'm so excited to share my love for this incredible place with you. And I can't wait to show you my favorite city. We'll wander through its charming streets, discover its hidden corners, and experience the magic that makes Paris so unique. Paris is more than a place. It's not just bricks and mortar. It's a feeling, an experience, a feast for the senses. It's the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from a boulangerie, the sound of accordions playing in a cozy bistro, and the sight of the Eiffel Tower sparkling against the night sky. We're about to explore the top 10 must-visit places, the iconic landmarks that define Paris. From iconic sites like the Louvre and Notre-Dame to hidden gems tucked away in Montmartre and Le Marais. I want you to feel like you're right here with me, experiencing Paris as a local, wandering cobblestone streets and tasting fresh croissants, savoring every moment of this Parisian adventure. We'll discover the best patisseries, the most charming cafes, and the most authentic restaurants. Get ready for breathtaking sights, from the panoramic views from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Travel tips and insider secrets to help you make the most of your own Parisian getaway, and a few laughs along the way. Because what's a trip to Paris without a little bit of fun and spontaneity? This is Paris through my eyes, a personal journey filled with passion, discovery, and a whole lot of love for this magnificent city. And I'm thrilled to have you along for the ride. Allons-y, let's go. The adventure begins now. We have to start with the icon, the one landmark that, for many, Paris. It's the first image that pops into your head, the postcard you send home, the backdrop to countless memories. It's a symbol recognized around the globe, instantly evoking a sense of romance, history, and architectural grandeur. We're talking, of course, about the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, a wrought iron lattice tower on the Champs de Mars in Paris, France. Constructed from 1887 to 1889 as the centerpiece of the 1889 World's Fair, it was initially met with criticism from some of France's leading artists and intellectuals, who deemed it an eyesore. But oh, how times have changed. Yes, it's a tourist magnet, drawing millions of visitors each year, all eager to experience its majesty firsthand. You'll find crowds snapping photos, families gazing in awe, and lovers stealing kisses against its iconic silhouette. It's a bustling hub of activity, a testament to its enduring appeal. But the first time you see it, whether emerging from a metro station or rounding a corner on a Parisian street, it's pure magic. That initial glimpse, that sudden reveal, is a moment you won't soon forget. It's a breathtaking experience that transcends the hype and lives up to every expectation. As the sun sets, casting a warm golden glow across the city, the tower glows against a painted sky, transforming into a beacon of light and beauty. The ironwork seems to shimmer, and the entire structure takes on an ethereal quality. It's a photographer's dream, a painter's inspiration, and a romantic's delight. And when night falls, plunging Paris into darkness, it sparkles every hour, putting on a dazzling display of light that captivates all who witness it. Thousands of twinkling lights dance across its surface, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that lasts for 5 glorious minutes. Like Paris is throwing a party just for you, a celebration of art, architecture, and the sheer joy of being in one of the most beautiful cities in the world. It's a moment to pause, to breathe, and to appreciate the magic that surrounds you. For the best photos, skip the crowds at Champs de Mars, where you'll be jostling for space with hundreds of other tourists. While the view is certainly impressive, the sheer number of people can detract from the experience, and head to Trocadero Gardens, located across the Seine, for a more elevated and panoramic perspective. The steps leading down to the gardens offer a perfect vantage point, allowing you to capture stunning photos without the overwhelming crowds, or Pont de Bir Hakim for cinematic views. This elegant bridge, with its Art Deco details and wrought iron arches, provides a unique frame for the Eiffel Tower, creating a picture-perfect scene that's straight out of a movie. My tip: grab a jambon beurre sandwich, the quintessential Parisian snack, consisting of ham and butter on a crusty baguette. It's simple, delicious, and the perfect fuel for exploring the city. From a nearby boulangerie, and have a picnic while you soak it all in. Find a quiet spot along the Seine, spread out your blanket, and savor the flavors of Paris while enjoying the breathtaking view of the Eiffel Tower. It's an experience that's both simple and sublime. Don't just rush to the top. Walk around, see it from every angle, observe the intricate details of its construction, and appreciate the sheer scale of this architectural marvel. Each perspective offers a unique and captivating view, and let it surprise you. Discover hidden corners, unexpected viewpoints, and moments of quiet contemplation amidst the bustling crowds. The Eiffel Tower has a way of revealing itself in unexpected ways, offering new perspectives and fresh insights with each visit. The Eiffel Tower is more than a structure. It's the sparkling heart of Paris, a symbol of romance, and a testament to human ingenuity. It's a place where dreams are made, memories are forged, and the magic of Paris comes alive. Sometimes the most famous things are famous for a reason. They possess an undeniable quality, a certain je ne sais quoi, that captivates and inspires. They become cultural icons, symbols of a place and a time. And this one? It's unforgettable. A timeless masterpiece that will forever hold a special place in the hearts of those who have had the privilege of experiencing its beauty. It's a memory that will last a lifetime. Next up, the Louvre, a name synonymous with art, history, and culture. It's more than just a museum. It's a landmark, a testament to human creativity across millennia. Prepare to be amazed as we step into a world where every corner holds a story, every painting whispers secrets, and every sculpture embodies the spirit of its age. It's a palace of art before you even step inside. The building itself is a masterpiece, a stunning example of French architecture that has evolved over centuries. Originally built as a fortress in the 12th century, it transformed into a royal palace and finally, the museum we know and love today. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of the facade, the grandeur of its design, and the sheer scale of this iconic structure. The glass pyramid, a modern marvel contrasting with the historic palace, serves as the main entrance. It's a symbol of the Louvre's commitment to blending the old with the new. Step inside and you'll find yourself in the grand halls, vast spaces filled with light and echoing with the footsteps of millions of visitors who have come before you. The sheer size of the Louvre can be overwhelming, but that's part of its charm. And inside, masterpieces everywhere. From ancient sculptures to Renaissance paintings, the Louvre's collection spans a vast range of periods and cultures. You'll find works by some of the most famous artists in history, including Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Rembrandt. Each gallery is a treasure trove of artistic expression, waiting to be discovered. Of course, you have to see the Mona Lisa. It's the Louvre's most famous resident, and for good reason. Her enigmatic smile has captivated audiences for centuries, and seeing her in person is an experience you won't soon forget. She's smaller than you expect, but the moment is electric. The energy in the room is palpable as visitors from all over the world gather to admire this iconic painting. Take your time, soak it in, and let the Mona Lisa's mystique work its magic. But don't stop there. The Louvre has so much more to offer than just the Mona Lisa. Venture beyond the crowds and discover the hidden gems that await in its many galleries. The Venus de Milo, a timeless symbol of beauty and grace, is a must-see. Winged Victory, perched atop a grand staircase, is a breathtaking sculpture that embodies triumph and power. And colossal Renaissance paintings await, filling entire walls with their vibrant colors and intricate details. These massive canvases transport you back in time, allowing you to witness historical events and biblical scenes come to life. My advice, pick one or two wings to explore deeply. The Louvre is divided into several departments, each dedicated to a specific period or type of art. Trying to see everything in one visit is simply impossible, and you'll end up feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. Or you'll get museum fatigue. Trust me, it's a real thing. Pace yourself, take breaks, and focus on the areas that interest you the most. Book your ticket online in advance to avoid long queues and ensure you get a spot. And go early or on Friday nights for fewer crowds. The Louvre can get incredibly busy, especially during peak season. Arriving early in the morning or visiting on a Friday evening, when the museum stays open later, can help you avoid the worst of the crowds and enjoy a more peaceful experience. When you need a break, step into the Tuileries Garden, a beautiful green space located right next to the Louvre. Grab a green chair by the fountain and people watch. It's the perfect place to relax, recharge, and soak in the Parisian atmosphere. Maybe treat yourself to a Nutella crepe nearby. There are plenty of street vendors and cafes in the area where you can grab a quick bite or a refreshing drink. The Louvre is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey through art history, a celebration of human creativity, and an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Enjoy the journey through centuries of creativity and let the Louvre inspire you with its beauty and its stories. It's a place where art comes alive and where you can connect with the past in a profound and meaningful way. Now, to Notre-Dame, a symbol of Paris's history and resilience. Even under restoration, its Gothic beauty and soaring towers inspire awe. Walk around the perimeter to admire the craftsmanship and see the restoration up close. Late afternoon sunlight makes the stone glow. Don't miss it. From nearby bridges, you get the best views of the cathedral and the ongoing work. Behind Notre-Dame, relax in Square Jean Third or visit the legendary Shakespeare and Company bookstore. Notre-Dame is more than stone and glass. It's the soul of Paris, always rising, always beautiful. Time for a stroll down the Champs-Élysées, Paris's grand avenue of glamour and energy. Window shop, people watch and soak up the café culture. Walk uphill toward the Arc de Triomphe, Napoleon's monument to French victories. Don't just admire it from below. Climb to the top for a panoramic view of Paris and its radiating avenues. It's a city planner's dream and a photographer's paradise. Afterward, duck into a side street for a cozy bistro dinner. The Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe celebrate Paris's grandeur and its hidden charms. Montmartre is Paris's bohemian soul, a hilltop village of winding streets and artistic spirit. At Place du Théâtre, street artists keep the creative tradition alive. Climb to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for sweeping city views and a moment of peace inside. For an even higher vantage, climb the dome for a 360-degree panorama. But the real magic is getting lost. Wander side streets, discover hidden gardens, and stumble upon the last vineyard in Paris. Montmartre is about exploration, inspiration, and letting the neighborhood's artistic heart capture yours. Let's head outside Paris to the Palace of Versailles, royal extravagance on a mind-blowing scale. The Hall of Mirrors dazzles with history and opulence. Arrive early, head straight for the main palace, and take your time marveling at the details. The gardens are vast. Rent a golf cart or rowboat to explore. Don't miss Marie Antoinette's estate and her whimsical hamlet, a charming escape from royal life. Versailles is a day trip into the world of kings and queens. Grand, beautiful, and unforgettable. Rest your feet and see Paris from the Seine. A river cruise is pure magic. Glide past the Louvre, Notre-Dame, and under ornate bridges, all from the water. For true romance, take an evening cruise as the city lights up and the Eiffel Tower sparkles. It's peaceful, cinematic, and connects you to the daily rhythm of Paris. No need to book far ahead, just hop on and enjoy the ride. A Seine cruise is an essential Parisian experience. Need a break? The Luxembourg Gardens are Paris's oasis. Formal French gardens meet relaxed park life. Students, families, and friends all gather here. Grab a green chair, watch kids sail boats, or picnic with cheese and a baguette. In spring, the flower beds burst with color and the air smells of blossoms. The gardens are lived in. Old men play pétanque, students read, couples stroll. Sometimes the best Paris moments are about feeling, not just seeing. Don't miss Sainte-Chapelle, a hidden gem near Notre-Dame. The upper chapel is a jaw-dropping jewel box of stained glass telling biblical stories in vibrant color. Visit on a sunny day for the full effect, and buy tickets online to skip the lines. Sit, let the colors wash over you and feel the spiritual beauty. Sainte-Chapelle is a dazzling, unforgettable experience. Our final stop, the Latin Quarter, Paris's lively intellectual heart. Wander medieval lanes filled with bookstores, cafes, and student energy. Visit Shakespeare and Company, a legendary bookshop where writers have gathered for decades. Grab a savory Breton galette at a local creperie. Explore, discover, and soak up the neighborhood's vibrant, ever-changing spirit. The Latin Quarter is the perfect place to end our Paris adventure. And that's our whirlwind tour of Paris! From sparkling towers to cozy bookshops, I hope you felt the magic. Which place would you visit first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, be open, try new things, and always taste the local specialty. Au revoir, friends. See you on the next adventure.